This is what my car aspires to be. Oh, drive shaft. This smells like a juicy fruit gum pack. She's like a model that needs to see a therapist. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike back with another walk around video. Thanks to my good friends at Copart. You see anything cool up the row there, up the way, over yonder, as they used to say, my kinfolk used to say in Arkansas, over yonder. I don't know what we're gonna find. Let's just kind of walk around and see what's happening. Are you looking for a nice Toyota Sequoia? Great reputation, lasts forever. This one's kind of hunkered down. Ooh, it's just a flat tire and a little punch right there. It'll be fine, no biggie. Let's just kind of wander and see what we find. If there's something interesting, I will bring it to you. How about a Jeep? Nope, nope, nope. Natural gas? Nope, nope, nope. Infinity? Nope, nope, nope. I don't know what I'm gonna find. I'm gonna find something cool. Well, is there anything more cool or cooler than an old Toyota truck with big wheels and tires? I like this. Oh my gosh, old school Tacoma from back in the day. What year is this? This is a 2004. Oh my god, oh well. It's got 4-wheel steering. Why are you going that way? What happened back here? Let me put my drinks down. Where can I put my drinks so they don't fall off? How about right here? Watch that for me, sir. Thank you. Yeah, she's a little cocked that way. Okay, well, that's one issue you'll have to fix. Unless you want to crab walk down the highway. So I mean, it's an old work truck. You can't expect a lot, okay? So there are dings and, well, things are falling off. Oh, this is interesting. So the whole rear diff and everything just got clocked that way. Here's where it's supposed to be attached. Oh, drive shaft. That came off too. Well, just put it together. It'll be fine. Little glue, you'll be fine. How are you gonna get it to your house though? When they pick this up, this is gonna go, this is all gonna be catastrophically bad. Oh my goodness. But they did wire in a hitch light. Well, it used to be. Now it's gone. Oh, this is terrible. I'm sorry, truck. I'm sorry, and you don't even open for me. Well, I was gonna say, do you want to come home with me? But I don't think I want you to. This, ooh. She's dirty. She is, oh my goodness gracious, dirty. Look at that. Oh, I don't want to sit in here. I really don't. And do we have a key? We do have a key. The front part of the car is great. So let's see what happens. No way. We're in park. Turn off that. Oh, the battery. Yeah. But she tried. Yep. 217,692 miles. I'm sure if she had a good battery, she would start right up. We couldn't drive her, couldn't do much with her. But these, I just think they're cool. You lift them, put in some big old tires, and they look really, really sharp. This one does need some work. So let's find something else that's equally as cool or cooler. I think I just saw something amazingly cool and something only cool people have. I'm talking about a Miserabli. If you've been watching the channel, you know I have one. It was completely flooded. I brought it back to life and I'm actually waiting on a title for that. This is the GT. Oh, this is a little better than mine. Oh my goodness. This is the Ghibli, but it's got the GT. Holy, holy, holy. Gotta stay hydrated. Please don't fall off. Okay, look at this one though. Damage. I love this color. Here's your damage. Just replace the parts. That's not too serious. This is bolt on. That's bolt on. The headlight is bolt on. That's bolt on. You do have some wiring to do. That's easy. That's okay. Get a connector. You're good. That's for the headlight. I'll put it right back in there. I can't open the hood because they've got it sealed. That's fine. What's the interior like? Let's start with the back. Yeah. These are big, squatty cars, but the inside, you don't get a whole lot of room. You don't. But it does smell good. I don't want to ruin it. We're going to put that right there, so if someone sits on it, it's not going to cut the leather. Oh my goodness. Now mine has a special feature. When I hook up the battery, it can be sitting there fine, and then for some reason it's just going to lower the window. I don't know why. It just the car wants the window down, and the window will go down, and then it goes up. So it's a special feature. You probably had to pay extra for that. This is way nicer on the inside. I'm sure everything moves and works. And oh my, what is this? Mascara? I don't know what that is. I have a key just like this. I really do. Are you gonna start? No way. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is a 2022. This is way newer. Mine's a 14, I think. 2014. Oh my gosh. I need to upgrade. I need to raise this seat up here too. This is so nice. I do love the color of my interior. It's that basketball orange. But mine doesn't have this. And mine doesn't have air conditioning that works. And listen to the exhaust. Oh my gosh, how many miles? 18,438. 18,000 miles. Oh goodness, let's close this to keep the sun out. See, we leave everything better. I need all the vents pointed right here on me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. It's the same switch. I'm sure this one does not go down when it wants to. It goes down when you tell it to. And you should be the same. Good. Nice tint job on these windows too. So all the windows work. I love the little trident and the headrests right there. This is what my car aspires to be. It really is. Will it ever be this nice? I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I still have it. I'm working on it. I'm trying to get the whole dash out, the entire dash, so I can fix the leather that has dried up and shrunk. And I'm waiting on a title too. So, yes, thank you, thank you. This is super nice. Why do they have an Acura smell good? I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's listen to the exhaust. I can't show you the engine, but I can let you listen to the exhaust. Here it is. Mine sounds a little better, I think. Mine's a little different. That smells a little wet. Ooh, here's everything you need. Here's your headlight, part of your front bumper system. So you need two headlights. Woohoo! Here's a little metal piece. You're gonna need that. That broke off. Okay. But once that's done, you have a Maserati. So nice. Okay, well, thank you. You're not a Miserabli. You're a Maserati. Yeah, that was stupid. Okay, I won't do that again. I'm sorry. Anyway, I like it. And how about a sporty, a super sporty Toyota Camry? This is gorgeous. This is from 2021, maybe? Yep, 2021 Toyota Camry XSE. super sporty. I like this line. I like how they have this dark. Nice, nice, nice. The damage is kind of severe on the back on the other half. I'll show you. I just want to see what the inside looks like because they made the outside so fantastic. There's your damage. That's going to be expensive. So yeah, that's why she's here. That's going to be expensive because you can't just bolt on a new part. You got some pulling and some shaping and some fixing to do. But on the inside, look at the red. Sporty. Oh my gosh. This smells like a juicy fruit gum pack. It really does. That's weird. Look how they have the red as you get in. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, this is nice for 2021. Yeah, 5 years old, but it looks almost new except for the steering wheel. How many miles do you think this thing has on it? Well, whatever the miles are, it's not going to really affect it. These things are just almost indestructible. Let's see if she has power. And how we do have power. Boy, I've gotten lucky today with all these vehicles that have been able to start. 59,909 miles. Okay, let's see what she does. Yeah, she starts. It's not a real aggressive engine. It doesn't really sound like a race car. It doesn't sound much more than a little bitty. Ooh, all that power. This is a looker. She's a poser. Although I do like it. I like this. Does she go into reverse? Of course. She goes into drive. Yes. Here we go. How does your air conditioner sound and feel? 75? No. You want 65. There it is. So we do have we have a lot of error messages here in the dash. ABS, TPMS, parking sensor, all kinds of lights. Drive start control malfunction, visit your dealer. Brake override malfunction. There's just a bunch of them. Let's see if we hit okay. Power steering low. Anti-lock brakes. PKSB malfunction. SRS airbag malfunction. Pre-collision system malfunction. Parking brake malfunction. Rear camera detection malfunction. Driver start control. Okay. It just goes on and on and on and on. So she's got some issues. She's like a model that needs to see a therapist. This is a little darker here. I don't know what happened right there, but that's the thing. I really liked it until I started it. And then it just said, I'm a Camry. I will get you good gas mileage and I'll get you where you want to go. But I see these things on the highway and the drivers, and if you have one of these, forgive me, but the drivers think that they've got a race car and they try to drive these things really hard, at least in my experience. Oh, hold on. There you go. Yeah, and in my experience, they think they've got a Ferrari under the hood or something, and they don't. It's a V6, the old D45 V6 with your oxygen sensor right in front. It's smooth. It's a good engine. It just looks faster than it is. That's what you have to say. That's nice. Okay, let me put this up real quick. There we go. And there you have it. That's gorgeous right there. One fast looking Toyota Camry. Are these fast? I don't know. I've never driven one. Maybe they are. But to me, I'm not a Toyota guy, so I need to hush. That's what I'll do. I'll sit here and I'll enjoy the air conditioning and I'll just hush up. And I'll say thank you for watching the walk around videos. I'll say thank you to Copart for letting me come out here and do these videos, which is a lot of fun for me. And if you have not subscribed, please like, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share the video, share the likes, share the love, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, everybody? Bye-bye.